5 timeless Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger investing rules every gentleman should know. Welcome back, gentlemen. What if the path to lasting wealth wasn't found in risky trades or flashy trends, but in the quiet wisdom of 2 men who built empires through patience, principle, and discipline? In this video, we uncover 5 timeless rules from Buffett and Munger that every modern gentleman should live by. This is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. Buy wonderful businesses at fair prices. Buffett once said, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." Gentlemen, that means finding businesses with real staying power, brands with loyal customers, strong cash flow, and pricing power. Think Coca-Cola, Apple, American Express. These aren't just stocks, they're machines of long-term wealth. Stay within your circle of competence. Charlie Munger puts it simply, you have to know what you know and know what you don't. Invest in businesses you understand, how they operate, how they earn, and what could threaten them. If it sounds too good to be true or you can't explain it to a teenager, walk away. In investing, clarity is confidence. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Buffett's golden rule. When panic grips the market and headlines scream chaos, that's when opportunities are born. It takes courage to stay calm. A gentleman doesn't follow the crowd. He observes, thinks, and acts with conviction. Short-term noise fades. Long-term discipline builds legacies. Avoid debt and margin. Munger warns us, if you're smart, you don't need leverage. If you're dumb, it'll ruin you. Debt adds emotion to your decisions. It clouds judgment and crushes patience. Don't gamble with borrowed money. Stay liquid, stay patient. Remember, compounding only works if you stay in the game. Patience is power. Buffett said it best, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Think decades, not days. Reinvest your dividends. Let your winners breathe. Ignore the noise. Trust your principles and let time do its work. Gentlemen, don't chase. They build slowly and surely. Master these rules and you won't just be playing the market, you will be building a legacy. Until next time, gentlemen.